Hi, I'm Jason. If your church has ever organized a conference, youth camp, men's retreat, women's conference, or vacation Bible school or mission trip, you've probably ordered custom t-shirts before. Maybe you've collected everyone's size using paper forms, ordered 150 shirts for example, had boxes stacked in the church office, then spent hours sorting shirts by size before the event, and somehow you still ended up with extra shirts that nobody claimed. The good news is there's a much easier way to do it. Instead of ordering everything upfront, you can use Gelato to print each shirt only after someone places an order. That means no inventory, no guessing shirt size anymore, no packaging, no shipping, and no leftover boxes after the event. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how churches can sell event t-shirts using Gelato and automate the entire process. Here's how your workflow would look. You create your design, upload it to Gelato, connect Shopify, members order online, Gelato prints each shirt, ships directly to the members. Now let's get started. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up on both of these platforms and follow along. Now first, here's what I want you to do. I want you to open a tab and I want you to go onto shopify.com, or you can select the link in the description. Once you have tapped the link, you'll be redirected to this page and you're just going to tap on Start for free. From there, you can create your account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to open a new tab and you're going to go onto gelato.com, or you can simply tap the link in the description. From there, you're going to create your Gelato account. Once you're signed up to Gelato, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Stores. After you have selected Stores, you're going to connect your Shopify store. It's quite straightforward. You're just going to scroll down and you're going to see Shopify. You're going to tap on Connect. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Connect right here and you'll be able to connect your Shopify store for completely free. After you have connected your Shopify store, it is now time to create your first design. When it comes on to creating your design, you don't need to overcomplicate the graphic. A good platform that you can use for completely free is Canva. So I went onto Canva and I gave it this prompt, as you can see right here. Create a church t-shirt design for a conference themed Rooted in Christ. Add a sample conference logo, the event date, a church logo, Bible verse, and so on. And you can see different templates that it came up with. All you need to do once it has created a template, you can simply select it and you will be redirected to a new page on which you can edit it. And by the way, to access this feature, you can go onto canva.com, sign up for free using your email address, then you'll select Canva AI in the bottom left hand corner and you can type in whatever prompt you want. So you can see right here, this is the logo that I'll be using better yet. So you have Colossians 2 verse 7 in Christ, and by the way, you can see what verse it is, so you can see it right here. Once it is to my liking, I'll select share from the top right hand corner, then select download, and I'm just going to be downloading it. After you have downloaded it, you're going to go back into Gelato, so I'm going to save it. And I'll go back into Gelato real quick. Once in Gelato, I'm going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, we're going to be selecting Product Catalog. After you have selected Product Catalog, for example's sake, I could select men's clothing, then I'll select T-shirt. After you have selected T-shirt, from here, you can choose the desired style. You have different options that you can choose from. For example, you have heavyweight crew, unisex crew neck. You have different options that you can choose from, as you can see right here. Now let's say for example I were to select this option. Now once on this page, from here you can see how it would look. Then you're just going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Add to Store and you're going to select your store. After you have selected your store, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you'll be able to upload your design. So I'm just going to drag and place the design that I've created in Canva. And you can see how the design looks. And by the way, if it is a case that for example's sake you would like to edit it in Gelato, you can also do that. As you can see from the left hand menu option, you are given different editing options that you can quickly access, as you can see right here. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Continue to Mockup. After you have selected Continue to Mockup, you'll be able to select the mockup that you like to use. So you can simply tap in the box right here to choose a mockup. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue to Details. After selecting continue to details, from here you can fill in the shirt name, and you can also add in description, and you can see the different sizes that are available as you can see right there. Then we'll just stamp on continue to prices, and this is where you'll be able to add the prices. So you'll be able to set the price that you would like to sell it for. So we can tap on continue to prices, and this is where you'll be able to add the price as you can see right here, and you'll also be able to see the profit that you'll be making. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on continue to review. Then you're just going to select publish, and it is going to be pushed to your store. Now once it is on your store, you can go into Shopify and go over to the left hand menu option, select products, and from there you can view it as you can see right here. If I were to tap on preview on store, you can see how it looks, and they'll now be able to go onto Shopify, and from there they'll be able to purchase it. So now let's follow one order. Imagine Sarah registers for your conference, visits your merchandise page, and from there she chooses to purchase a t-shirt. All she'll need to do is simply tap on add to cart, and from there she'll be able to place an order. Payment is processed, and order automatically goes to Gelato. Gelato prints the shirt, quality check, package, and ship directly to Sarah's home. Nobody at church needs to package shirts, nobody has to organize pickup days, and everything happens automatically. One thing I really like about Gelato is that you're not limited to shirts. You can also use it, for example, you can be using the same event artwork. You could also create, for example, hoodies, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, and so much more. So for example, you could go into Gelato. From there you can select product catalog once more, and you can choose different designs. So for example, you could select tote bag, and you could also offer tote bags. You could select tote bag right there. Then you could tap on add store, select the store, then go over to the left hand menu option. From there you can tap on files, and you can quickly add the same design as you can see right here to numerous items. You can choose to add it to water bottles, notebooks, canvas prints, posters. Some attendees may prefer a hoodie instead of a t-shirt, and others might purchase a mug as a keepsake. One design can become an entire event merchandise collection. Now let's get people to the store. Some simple ideas include adding the store link to your registration page, for example, including it in confirmation emails, sharing it on Facebook, posting it on Instagram, sending it through your church WhatsApp group, or displaying a QR code in the church lobby, or mention it during services. The easier you make it to order, the more likely people are to purchase before the event. So that's how churches can sell event t-shirts using Gelato. Instead of ordering hundreds of shirts up front, guessing sizes and organizing inventory and handling distribution yourself, you can create an online store where every shirt is printed only after someone places an order. Whether you're hosting a youth conference, church anniversary, mission trip, or annual convention, this workflow makes selling event merchandise much simpler while reducing waste and saving valuable volunteer time. If you'd like to try Gelato yourself, I've included a link in the description below where you can create an account and explore the platform.